Quick question. How many times have you said the word very today? Very nice. Very tired. Very good. If your answer is more than 3, congratulations. You've officially joined the Very Club. It has millions of members worldwide, but 0 native speakers. Now, using very isn't wrong. It's just, well, lazy English. It's like eating instant noodles. Quick, satisfying, but it doesn't nourish your fluency. But imagine replacing very tired with a word that instantly makes you sound polished. A word that makes even your boss or teacher go, "Whoa, you sound fluent." That's exactly what we're doing today. Welcome to the first episode of our advanced series. Stop saying very. I'll give you 10 rare, expressive, intelligent alternatives that fluent speakers use naturally. So grab your coffee, open your notes app, and let's upgrade your English from very basic to absolutely exquisite. Ready? Let's go. Number 1. Very smart. Astute. She's very smart is fine, but she's astute? That's power. Example. That investor is astute. He spots opportunities before anyone else. Astute isn't just smart. It's sharp, strategic, insightful. Next time your friend beats you at chess, don't say, "You're very smart." Say, "You're astute." Boom. Instant Sherlock Holmes energy. So, now that you sound like Sherlock Holmes with astute, let's see how you'd react when someone ruins your plans. Yep, it's time for a word that's full of fire. Irate. Very angry, irate. When fury hits, irate hits harder. Example. The customer became irate after waiting for an hour. Irate feels formal, professional, great for business or storytelling. Try it once, and watch how composed and confident you sound. Okay, we've handled anger like a pro with irate. Now, let's cool things down with honesty. And not the boring kind. Next up is a word that makes very honest sound way too basic. Candid. Very honest, candid. Candid means open, truthful, and straightforward. Example. I appreciate your candid feedback. It's honesty without the sugarcoating. Try this one. I'll be candid. I need a raise. That's fluent confidence right there. All right, now that you're being candid, let's admit something. English can get confusing sometimes, right? So, when your brain does a backflip trying to understand something, skip very confused and go with perplexed. Very confused, perplexed. When you're deeply confused, you're perplexed. Example. I was perplexed by the sudden change in plans. Perplexed sounds mature, analytical. It gives your English a thoughtful edge. Quick challenge. Comment one situation that left you perplexed this week. Feeling perplexed already? Don't worry, I've got something to lift your mood. Because our next word is all about joy. Real, soaring joy. Forget very happy. Say elated, very happy. Elated. Example, she was elated when she got the scholarship. Elated means extremely happy, but with pride and satisfaction. If your favorite team wins, don't say, "I'm very happy." Say, "I'm elated." You'll sound like a winner and a wordsmith. All right, now that we're elated and flying high, it's time for a little emotional landing. Because life isn't always sunshine and scholarships. Let's see what happens when happiness takes a break. Meet despondent. Very sad, despondent. When sadness runs deep, use despondent. Example. he looked despondent after the breakup. It's not casual sadness, it's when hope fades. But hey, if your favorite series ends, don't be despondent. You're just mildly heartbroken. Save this one for the heavy moments. Okay, enough sadness. Wipe those tears. Let's shift gears from emotion to precision. Because our next word isn't about feelings, it's about perfection. Say hello to meticulous. Very detailed, meticulous. Instead of very detailed, say meticulous. Example: the designer was meticulous about every color and line. Meticulous means careful, precise, and detail-oriented. And remember this, it can actually help you get hired. I'll tell you why at the end. Now that you're all meticulous with your details, let's talk about beauty. The kind that deserves a slow clap. Instead of saying very beautiful, say exquisite. Very beautiful, exquisite. When something is beautifully perfect, call it exquisite. Example: the painting was absolutely exquisite. Exquisite means delicately beautiful, or even delicious. Try saying, that dessert was exquisite. All right, that was exquisite, but beauty won't save you when something jumps out of the dark. This next word is pure fear. When you're not just scared, you're terrified. Very scared, terrified. Example: I was terrified when the lights went out during the storm. When fear paralyzes you, you're terrified. If a spider crawls across your desk, be honest. Are you scared or terrified? If it's the second one, congratulations, you've upgraded your fear vocabulary. Phew! Let's calm things down. Time for our final word. Pure peace under pressure. Placid. Very calm, placid. Example: she remained placid even during the argument. Placid means calm that can't be shaken. Peace that stays no matter what. All right, let's quickly review your stop saying very upgrades. Very smart? Say astute. Very angry? Try irate. Very honest? Use candid. Very confused? Go with perplexed. Very happy? Say elated. Very sad? Use despondent. Very detailed? That's meticulous. Very beautiful? Try exquisite. Very scared? Say terrified. Very calm? Go with placid. You just learned 10 vocabulary gems that make your English sound intelligent, global, and fluent. And here's your pro tip. Fluency isn't about big words, it's about precise words. Native speakers use advanced vocabulary because it fits, not because it impresses. So here's your challenge. Pick 3 words from today's list and drop them in the comments below. Something like, I'm elated to learn these exquisite words, and I'll be meticulous in using them. I'll pin my favorite ones.